We're going to break the line today. We're going to make a Mai Tai not with rum. Going to make it with gin.
Gin.
Nicole found this recipe, and we're going to see what happens. And so you can roast us in the comments because we're making a Mai Tai with gin.
Mai Tai with gin.
Let's go.
Jim?
Jim?
It's gin.
Okay, so I've seen tequila Mai Tais. I think I've seen a vodka Mai Tai. Can't really ever say that I've seen a gin Mai Tai.
I have never seen a gin Mai Tai. And in looking for this recipe, I found rye Mai Tais. We found a plethora of Mai Tais, so we're probably going to be making a lot of them. But I'm anxious to try this, but I'm curious. There is another drink that is in the tiki recipes that pops up, and it's the Saturn.
The Saturn.
So I don't think that this is too, faux pas to be putting a little bit of gin inside.
Yeah, as a tiki drink.
As a tiki drink, but a Mai Tai, we'll see.
They cover the spectrum, so all boozes are involved. Just never seen a Mai Tai. So let's make it and see how it turns out. Okay, so to make this one, we are going to start with 2 ounces of gin. We're using Amsterdam because it's clean and fresh. 1 ounce of lime juice, freshly squeezed. 1/2 ounce of orgeat. We're using our homemade version here. And 1/2 ounce of Grand Marnier. We're using the orange liqueur substitute from Costco on this one because why not? And then shake. Put 1/2 of the lime in the glass. Give it a little shake. And then we're just going to dirty pour over the top. And top with a fresh sprig of mint. And there we have the gin Mai Tai.
Okay, we're back. Look at this beautiful drink. So the color,
yeah,
it's pretty.
White and beautiful and clear.
Very bright looking. So let's see it smells like a Mai Tai.
It does. It's very soft, but it does smell just like a Mai Tai.
So we chose the new Amsterdam. That is a really easy drinking gin. We have a couple in our bar, but they're really flavored, with the Juniper. So we didn't think that would go well in here. So I'm really curious to see how this is going to go with everything.
Sucking on pine treeism.
Yeah.
Mai Tai didn't sound too good.
I don't want to do that. Oh. Okay. I'm a little confused, but it's not bad.
It tastes overwhelmingly to me like I'm drinking coconut water.
Oh, that's not something, wow, okay.
Do you?
Mm-mm.
It's just like canned coconut water to me.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, the first thing that I taste immediately is the lime. And it might be because I did the shake inside the glass to release all that oil. Maybe that's why. I get a little bit of the alcohol flavoring, but I can't really decipher gin out of this. Like, I can't taste it. I can taste a little bit of the orange and a teeny bit of the orgeat. It's confusing me.
It's confusing. It's good, like...
It's delicious, but...
We initially talked about this as like rolling into fall, but no, this is 100%.
That's a summer drink.
At the pool.
It's really light and has
Yeah,
I'm
drink was
confused.
that one was more orange.
I'm getting a lot of the citrus immediately.
There's a lot of citrus. And, again, like, we could do this 18 different times with 18 different gins because they are as widely flavored as rums are.
But I think this is the right choice for this. If you would have put a couple of our other ones that we have, it would have tasted like you're drinking a Christmas tree, like a pine needle. And that would have been kind of...
Maybe it'd be a good Christmas Mai Tai.
Possibly. We'll have to figure that out. You hate cranberry, though, and I would have to put cranberry in mine.
I love cranberry for drink.
What do you think? I mean, I think it's good.
I don't hate it.
But I don't think it tastes like a Mai Tai.
Yeah, so leaning into it, as Mai Tai,
I would say 2, only because it does have the components of a Mai Tai. And if I saw it coming out with the mint and the lime and, I can still taste some of the components, I'd be like, okay. But you know what? It kind of reminds me more of a Mojito.
Ooh.
It tastes more like a Mojito.
Yep. And it is.
It really does, which is weird. But
I suppose you haven't called for a float yet. But
I was already thinking that as we were sitting here sipping it. I was like, normally I want a float, but what do you put as a float on top of gin?
Yeah, what would be a dark on top of gin?
It would.
It's very much like if you ever get a Mai Tai, which we've both had, that are the white rum, clear rum Mai Tais. Mm-hmm. It's very much like that. It's just missing the float, dark part of it, Yeah. But it's good. I'm with you. I might go to a 3. No. Hold that thought. You hold it. It's a 2. It's a 2. Yeah, no, this is Mai Tai. I can, if I really look for everything, I can get all the flavors, but it is more citrus mint that I'm getting out of any of it.
The minute that you bring it up to your nose, it hits, and then that's all that you can taste,
But as a cocktail.
Oh, I'll give it a 4. I mean, it's a great cocktail. The only reason I'm saying a 4, I like to taste the spirit, the flavor of the spirit, not because it needs to be super boozy, but I like to be able to taste it and be like, ooh, and I mean, the New Amsterdam is a really smooth, very light gin. I mean, it's a great gin, but I kind of need to have a little something else, possibly.
Yeah, I'm there. Would you do a 4, 3, 4?
2.
As a cocktail?
Oh, it's a cocktail, 4.
4. I'm with you there. I would like to do it again with something with a little bit more kick than the New Amsterdam, because I don't even know if I would drink New Amsterdam straight on its own. It's great. It's great in a vodka soda or a gin and soda, gin and tonic kind of thing. And that's exactly what this is. This is like if you took a gin and tonic and added, if you did a gin and sparkling orange water and added some lime into it. That's 100% what this tastes like.
Yeah.
Which is good. I really enjoy it. If it was really hot out, this would be amazing. I would love this, but
it's good. But it's
not
not
a great Mai Tai.
It's not Mai Tai.
Good cocktail. Give it a try. Yeah. Let us know what you think.
Or how you would improve it, possibly. I mean, that's what this channel is all about, is trying new drinks and, trying to make them a little bit better. What would you guys do as a float on something like this?
Yeah.
I don't know.
A float suggestion will be great, and then also I will take any and all gin suggestions. I love trying all that.
Oh, yeah.
The weird gins are so fantastic. There's so many of them.
Yeah, there's some good ones.
That's probably it.
So yeah, just like and subscribe and comment, and just let us know what you think. This is definitely a one for next summer.
Good cocktail. Yeah, great cocktail for the next summer. Great cocktail, not so great Mai Tai.
Yeah.
Usually they're pretty close. Not great cocktail, not great Mai Tai.
Yeah, I hear you.
I will take it. Go make this one. It's pretty good.
Okay.